Hey, Trinidad, it's Tuesday, the 19th, and hot, hot, hot. But anyway, here's a quick video for the condition of the bottom of the boat. So the boat's all been sanded out on the bottom. All the areas where there were blisters have been browned out. And you see these where we've still got dark area around it, or where it's still bleeding out or weeping out. With this heat, there hasn't been a lot of rain, and so it should dry it up pretty fast. The upper part has been all recoated. You can see up through here, it's been all fared over, so it's a compound on it that then will be ground out. This area in the rudder is the next challenge. We gotta dig a hole tomorrow and get the rudder down. There had been a repair on it here, and so this area's got to be reworked because it doesn't look very good. So that's all going to be redone. Rudder will come off the skeg. We drop this piece on the very bottom of the skeg, that metal piece off, and then go from there. So here's a couple more sections that are still weeping out, and hopefully they're all going to be good by the end of the week. So that's what we're looking at.